Okay, welcome to another unboxing video. These are gemstones from one of our local suppliers, Fu Gemstone Imports. And they are a local company. I've been working with them for my whole jewelry career, which has been 26 years. Phenomenal gemstones, really nice family, family owned here in Seattle. They moved to Paulsbo a few years back, so I got to go there yesterday and pick out their safe, some of the coolest and most interesting gems that I thought were neat. So let's get the focus going here. Of course, I get them in baggies because it's a local supplier, so I already unpacked all the baggies, but it's a fun little unboxing. This is a beautiful peachy pink tourmaline. Linda Fu, the owner of Fu Gemstone Imports, this was the one she wanted me to show off. Check out, this is a beautiful green tourmaline. It doesn't do it justice, but that's all right. Let's see here. Oh. And a crazy cool magenta pink sapphire. I wonder if it fluoresces. Should we check and see? Let's check and see. Oh yeah. Okay, so pink sapphire. What? So cool. Science. This is a gemstone that you don't see very often, but I've worked with it for a really long time. It's called iolite. It's a really interesting purpley bluish gem, and it is dichroic, so if you view it from one angle, you're actually going to have it be clear. So you can kind of see that even in the video, which is so cool. This one does have that kind of interesting inclusion in it, but it is not surface or edge reaching, so I don't feel too bad about that. It'd be great for a pendant. Let's see here. Oh, this guy here is a buff top moonstone. So buff top is the rounded top of the gem and then faceted in the back, and the translucency of this gem just gives it so much visual interest. Isn't that cool? Okay, what else we got? Oh, we have a really cool color change sapphire, which if we had daylight right now, I would be able to show you the color change. But just a very, very beautiful natural purple sapphire. Speaking of sapphire, let's look at this guy. This is what I would call a fan cut blue sapphire. Phenomenal color. I adore this gem. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, and what do we have here? This is, I forgot what this is. Hang tight. Chrome tourmaline. But look at that bright minty green. So cool. Okay, and saving two of the bestest for last. This guy is a blue sapphire, but it is a very, very pale, nearly white sapphire. And check out the really cool faceting structure. So it's got one long facet around each side, so it almost frames it. And the refraction in this gem is unbelievable. Super clean, super pretty, and pale blue. Okay, and then this, guys. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna show you this one. These were fun to pick up. So this is naturally occurring hematite crystals in quartz, and the way they did the cutting was so neat because all of the crystals are centered in what's called the table, or the center of the gem, in quartz. Just super different, super unique, one of a kind. Speaking of one of a kind, okay, this is a naturally occurring tourmaline crystal, which is just really cool. I'm trying to get the best light here. There we go. Oh, okay. Can you see that? Okay. And then look what else is in there. Do you see that pink triangle? So it's just a naturally occurring pink tourmaline that grew within this brown tourmaline crystal. And they sliced it so we could see the awesome color. Guys, I'm obsessed with this gem. Okay, so that's an unboxing for Fu Gem Imports.